Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome back to your SST class. Today I will discuss Chapter 16 Safety Rules. The main objective of this lesson is to teach you some safety rules to be safe from danger, risk, injury or loss. Our first duty is to protect ourselves. So, it is very important to know the safety rules. Safety means staying away from danger. We should follow safety rules on road, while playing, while getting in the bus, in school or in the classroom. Now let us discuss some important key terms of this lesson. Number 1 is safety. To be safe. Safety. To be safe. Number 2 key term is safety rules. Rules that keep us safe. Safety rules. Rules that keep us safe. And number 3 is zebra crossing. Broad white lines on the road. Zebra crossing. Broad white lines on the road. Now let us start the reading of lesson 16. Open your book, page number 74. Name of chapter 16 is Safety Rules. As we have done earlier also, the definition of safety rules. Rules that keep us safe. Now let us start the reading. John loves to eat sweets and chocolates. His mother wants him to eat less, and so she hides the jar containing sweets. Break word containing CONTAINING. Containing means holding. 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 You can see in this picture, John's mother is hiding the jar containing sweets and chocolates. John, I know the jar containing sweets is kept on the topmost shelf. Break topmost. 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 Topmost means uppermost. 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 uppermost को हम हिंदी में सबसे ऊपर कहते हैं. I know how to reach there. Now you can see in this picture, John keeps a chair on the table and he climbs on it. And he falls down and gets hurt. Mother runs towards him. Mother, John, you did not listen to me. You should not climb on the chair. It could be dangerous. Break word dangerous. DANGEROUS. Dangerous means cause harm. CAUSE. Cause. HARM. Harm. Cause harm. You don't know how to stay safe at home. You will have to follow some safety rules for your safety at home. In this picture, you can see John's mother is scolding John as he did not follow safety at home. John, please tell me what is safety and how can I keep myself safe? Now come to page number 75. Mother, safety means being safe and free from danger, risk, injury or loss. Injury means wound. WOUND, wound. We have done the meaning of safety. Safety means to be safe from danger, risk, injury or loss. You can keep yourself safe if you follow some safety rules at home and while crossing the road. Now let us read some safety rules. Safety at home. Never play with matches, lighter or candles as you can get burnt. Number 1 safety at home is you should never play with matchsticks, lighters or candles as you may get burnt. So never play with them. Never put your finger into the socket. You may get a shock. Shock means a sudden painful feeling of electric current. You can write the meaning. A sudden. SUDDEN, sudden. Painful. PAINFUL, painful. Feeling. FEELING, feeling. Of. Electric. ELECTRIC, electric. Current. CURRENT, current. As you can see in this picture, you should never put finger into the socket. If you put the finger, you may get an electric shock. Don't play with knives or scissors as you might cut your finger. You should never play with any sharp object at home as you might cut your finger. Now come to page number 76. Quiz zone. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. We may get burnt if we play with the. Options are A. Lighter, B. Toys, C. Knife, D. Stick. We have discussed earlier also, so you will take the correct answer. Number 2 is we may get a shock if we put our finger into A. a table fan, B. an electric toaster, C. a socket, D. a gas stove. Think and take the correct answer, and I hope it is clear to you. Your homework is read lesson 16 and complete exercise A. Thank you.